AMD was founded in 1969 in Santa Clara, California. Back then, it wasn't the industry juggernaut it is today, but rather a scrappy startup retooling existing microprocessors to make them faster and more efficient. The company's early years were defined by its rivalry with Intel, including a legal battle in the 1990s over AMD's AM386 processor. Spoiler alert, AMD won, setting the stage for its independent path forward. Fast forward to 2006, and AMD made its boldest move yet, acquiring ATI Technologies for $5.4 billion. This decision wasn't just about graphics cards, it marked AMD's entry into the high-performance PC market. Sure, the 2008 financial crisis was a tough hurdle, but by 2014, AMD had restructured, focusing on CPUs, GPUs, and custom processors for everything from gaming consoles to data centers. For years, Intel dominated the CPU market, leaving AMD to play catch-up. But in 2017, AMD flipped the script with the launch of its Ryzen processors. Built on the groundbreaking Zen architecture, Ryzen didn't just compete, it outperformed, offering more cores at lower prices. Suddenly, AMD wasn't just a budget alternative, it was a serious contender for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. The same goes for GPUs. AMD's Radeon series has long been the go-to for budget-conscious gamers, but recent iterations like the Radeon RX 7900 XTX are challenging NVIDIA at the high end. While NVIDIA still leads in ray tracing and AI features like DLSS, AMD's FSR technology and competitive pricing make Radeon cards an appealing choice. If you thought AMD's impact was limited to gaming and consumer tech, think again. AMD's EPYC processors and Instinct accelerators are redefining high-performance computing. In 2022, AMD powered 101 supercomputers on the top 500 list, including the record-breaking Frontier system at Oak Ridge National Laboratory. With 1.1 exaflops of performance, Frontier is more powerful than the next 4 systems combined. Why does this matter? Supercomputers aren't just for bragging rights, they're solving real-world problems from climate modeling to drug discovery, and AMD is at the center of it all. Its commitment to energy efficiency and open-source AI tools like ROCm ensures it remains a top choice for researchers. AMD's growth isn't just organic, it's fueled by smart acquisitions. Take its $50 billion purchase of Xilinx in 2022, which brought field-programmable gate arrays, or FPGAs, into AMD's portfolio. These chips are game-changers for industries like aerospace, where adaptability and speed are crucial. Similarly, AMD's acquisition of Pensando added data processing units, or DPUs, to its lineup, strengthening its position in cloud and enterprise markets. Let's face it, the AMD versus NVIDIA debate is as old as time, well, as old as GPUs at least. In 2025, the rivalry is more intense than ever. NVIDIA dominates in AI features, but AMD offers better value, especially in mid-range and high-performance gaming cards. While NVIDIA's RTX 4090 reigns supreme, AMD's RX 7900 XTX delivers incredible 4K performance at a fraction of the cost. But this rivalry isn't just about hardware. AMD takes a more open approach, releasing technologies like FSR that work across platforms, including NVIDIA cards. NVIDIA, by contrast, keeps features like DLSS exclusive to its ecosystem. This philosophical difference gives AMD an edge with developers and consumers who value versatility. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing for AMD. Geopolitical tensions and supply chain disruptions pose ongoing risks, especially since AMD relies on TSMC for chip manufacturing. Yet AMD's fabless model allows it to stay agile, focusing on design while outsourcing production. The opportunities, they're enormous. From 5G to AI and beyond, AMD's investments in R&D and partnerships with tech giants like Microsoft and Lenovo position it for sustained growth. Its focus on energy-efficient computing and open-source ecosystems ensures it stays ahead in an increasingly sustainability-conscious market.